What's up, lady gang? It's your girl Lady Lex, and I'm back with another video. And I just want to go ahead and tell y'all I'm sorry for y'all having to see me like this. I tried to do a twist out. Well, I wasn't really trying. I actually just put my hair in 2-strand twist to trim my ends, and then I took them down, and this how it look. It's a mess. So yeah, I'm just gonna give y'all a little high puff tutorial. This is actually my first high puff, so we're gonna see how this go. These are the products I'm gonna be using: some Eco Styler gel, Cure Care Edge Tamer, spray bottle, edge brush. I have a hard and a soft brush. I don't know which one I might need, so I just got one. Yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna be using today. Oh yeah, I might use some of this, the got to be glued edge. I don't know what I'm gonna use on my edges yet for sure, but yeah, let's get into it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, this is what I'm gonna be using to pull my puff up. And this is what it originally was. I had 2 of these, but it started to get stretched around the metal part, so I just went ahead and cut this one off. So that's what I'm gonna be using. It stretches pretty far. It's pretty good stretch. So yeah, if you don't have a shoestring or whatever some of those other people be using, yeah, this might be good if you got an old one that's like stretched out or something. Or you can just buy one at the store and cut a little metal piece off. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. is my finished look for my high puff. I'm going to turn all the way around so y'all can get a good view of it. I didn't pull up as high as I possibly could because my hair is not that long, as you can see. So yeah, and also y'all notice the little band-aid on my finger. I'm literally standing here confused because I don't know how I got like these cuts across the inside of my finger, and they pretty deep too. Like, it's not bleeding, because you know the inside of your hand, like, you gotta cut it real deep for it to bleed, but it's not bleeding. But I'm trying to figure out where these cuts come from. All I did was a high puff. Like, is that a sign? y'all know that'd be the little joke, your hair nappy if you cut. They say you cutting your fingers when you doing somebody's hair, and they say their hair nappy or whatever. So I guess my hair cut my fingers. But it still came out cute though, so I guess it was worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope it's helpful to any ladies that have a TWA like me, which stands for teeny weeny afro. I hope that this helps you guys, so you can wear your little high puff or puff and, you know, have your hair out your way. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to join Lady Gang. Bye, you guys.